number 39, correct order of question number 39. Question number 39. The correct order of electropositive nature of lithium, sodium, potassium is more than sodium. Sodium is more than lithium. Potassium is more than sodium. Sodium is more than lithium. Down the group, electropositivity increases. Down the group, electropositivity increases. Down the group, electropositivity increases. Hence, potassium is more than sodium. Potassium is more than sodium. Sodium is more than lithium. Question number 40. The bond energies of hydrogen HH, XX and HX are 104, 38 and 138 kilocalories respectively. The electron negativity of X is. Question number 40. Therefore, according to the values given in the kilocalories, that is values is given in kilocalories, therefore related formula is En is equal to Xa minus Xb. Electronegativity, that is En is equal to question number 40. Electronegativity is equal to that means question number 40. Xa minus Xb is equal to 0.208 into root delta. As per values given in the question paper, when we are substituting these values, that means here hydrogen is equal to Xa minus Xc. We want Xx minus, in this case, X of H minus X of X minus X of X is equal to 0.208 into 208 into root delta is equal to root 67. Therefore, here 2.1 or that means listen, X of X minus, that means X of X minus X of H. Here X of X minus 2.1 is equal to 0.208 into root 67 is equal to 8.18. Therefore, X of X is equal to 2.1 plus 1.7 is equal to X of X is equal to 3.8. That means electronegativity of element X is equal to 1.7. Electronegativity of element X is equal to 1.7. Question number 40. 3.8. Next question number 41. Which one of the following represents the correct sequence of the increasing basic nature of given oxides? Increasing basic nature of given oxides. Question number 41. Question number 41. Which one of the following represent the correct sequence of increasing basic nature of oxides? As per answers given here, aluminum oxide Al2O3 amphoteric is less than magnesium oxide, is less than sodium oxide, is less than potassium oxide, potassium oxide, potassium oxide. Alumina Al2O3 is less than MgO, MgO is less than Na2O, Na2O is less than K2O. That is question number 41. That is increasing order of their basic nature of oxides. It is amphoteric. Al2O3 is called amphoteric oxide. MgO, weak basic oxide. Na2, it is a strong, but compared to K2O, it is weak because in a group, in alkali metals from top to bottom, basic nature of oxides increases. Therefore, K2O basic nature is more than Na2O. Na2O is more than MgO. MgO is more than Al2O3 because Al2O3 is amphoteric oxide. Amphoteric oxide. Next one, question number 42. Question number 42. Arrange sulfur, oxygen, and selenium in ascending order of the electron affinity. That is increasing order of electron affinity. Oxygen is less than selenium. Selenium is less than sulfur. Electron affinities of 16th group elements, that is oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. Highest electron affinity in the group is sulfur. Sulfur is more than oxygen. And the correct sequence is sulfur is more than selenium. Selenium is more than tellurium. Tellurium is more than polonium. Polonium also more than oxygen. That is oxygen is less than selenium. Selenium is less than sulfur. Question number 42. Question number 43. Identify the pairs which are not isotopes. Isotope means the atoms of elements having same atomic number but different mass numbers. But mass numbers are different, but atomic numbers are same. These are called isotopes. Isotopes. So in a question number 43, identify the pair of pairs which are not isotopes. That is X6 condition for isotopes. Isotopes is equal isotopes having same atomic number, different mass numbers, different mass numbers. Therefore, in this case, X6 14 and Y7 14. These are isotopes because mass numbers are same, but according to definition, different mass numbers. But in this case, mass numbers same, atomic numbers different. But in isotopes, same atomic numbers, but different mass numbers. Therefore, the answer is equal to X6 14 and Y7 14. X6 14 and Y7 14. 44. The ionization energy and electron affinity of an element are not, that is not. The question is 44 question. Chemical similarity between boron and aluminum. Chemical similarity between boron and aluminum is due to, that is diagonal relationship. Diagonal relationship. Question number 40. Question number 44. Question number 44. Question is chemical similarity between boron and aluminum. Boron and aluminum. Boron and aluminum. It is due to diagonal relationship. Diagonal relationship. diagonal relationship. Reason is diagonal relationship. Question number 45. Electronegativity on Mulliken scale is limited to, it is limited to monovalent atoms. Question number 45. Question number 45. The answer is monovalent atoms. Mulliken scale is limited to monovalent atoms. Monovalent atoms. Not applicable multi-valence electrons. Multivalency only for limited monovalent. That is electronegativity of Mulliken scale. Question number 46. Integer questions 46. Question number 46. The number of elements which are more electropositive than iron in the following. Question number 46. Integer questions. Question number 46. Question number 46. The number of elements which are more electropositive than iron in the following. Scandium, rubidium, bromine, tellurium, fluorine, and calcium. Question is the number of elements which are more electropositive than iron in the following. In this case, scandium, rubidium, and calcium, because the rubidium is alkali metal and calcium is alkaline earth metal. Alkali and alkaline earth metals are highly electropositive metals, and it is as scandium. It is starting with the D block element. Therefore, there are 3. Therefore, 46. The 46 is equal to 3. Calcium, rubidium, and scandium. Next one. 47. Question number 47. The number of elements among the following which have lower electronegativity than oxygen atom based on Pauling scale is. The elements are given in 47. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, hydrogen, sulfur, phosphorus, potassium, and calcium. There are given fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, hydrogen, sulfur, sulfur, phosphorus is hydrogen, sulfur, phosphorus, potassium, and calcium. So how many are more electronegative than oxygen? Lower electronegative than oxygen. There are 8 because it is highly electronegativity. Remaining all are less electronegativity. Fluorine is equal to 4.0. Fluorine is equal to 4.0. Oxygen is equal to 3.5. Therefore, the chlorine, bromine, iodine, hydrogen, sulfur, phosphorus, potassium, calcium all are less electronegativity than oxygen, because oxygen is the second most highest electronegativity next to fluorine. Therefore, number of elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 elements. Question number 47. Now question number 48. Among the following oxides, Among the following oxides, how many of them are amphoteric? Amphoteric oxides. Question number 48. Question number 48. The question is among the following, how many of them are amphoteric oxides? Beryllium oxide, and cupric oxide, and ferric oxide, and lead dioxide, PbO2, lead dioxide, PbO2, tin oxide, SnO2, B2O3, and CaO, Ga2O3, Al2O3, that is also called alumina, and ZNO. Among these oxides, the number of amphoteric oxides, find the number of amphoteric oxides. So the question number 48, there are 6 beryllium oxide is amphoteric. Beryllium oxide is amphoteric, and lead oxide is amphoteric, tin oxide is amphoteric, and alumina is amphoteric, and zinc oxide is amphoteric. These are amphoteric natures. PbO2 and SnO2, please write down. PbO2 and SnO2. These are also amphoteric in nature. Therefore, total number of oxides is equal to 6. Total number of oxides is equal to 6. Once again, BeO, PbO2, SnO2, Al2O3, ZNO, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, BeO, SnO, GaO2, gallium, GaO2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 guys. The remaining are acidic and basic. Beryllium oxide, lead dioxide, SnO2, Ga2O3, Al2O3, and ZNO. ZNO is zinc oxide. It is also amphoteric nature. 49. Question number 49. Calculate the electronegativity of values chlorine on Mulliken scale given. IP and EA are given. Question number 49. It is very simple when you know the formulas. That means electronegativity values depend upon the units of ionization potential and electron affinity, because ionization potentials and electron affinities are taken in electron volt per atom, kilocalories per mole, kilojoules per mole. Based on the values taken in the different units, then denominator changes. If it is electron volt per atom, denominator is 5.6. If it is kilocalories per mole, denominator is 129. If it is taken in kilojoule per mole, that is 540 to 544. According to the question paper, it is taken in question number 49. Calculate the electronegativity value of chlorine in Mulliken scale, IP and EA. IP is given. IP is equal to 13.0 electron volts, and electron affinity is given as 4.0 electron volts. Therefore, according to Mulliken scale, En is equal to IP value plus EA value whenever in electron volts by 5.6 by 5.6. Therefore, electronegativity value is equal to, in this case, IP is equal to 13.0 and EA is equal to 4.0 by 5.6. Therefore, 17 by 5.6 is equal to 3.03. Electronegativity of given element according to Mulliken scale is equal to 3.03. 17 by 5.6, 3.03. And question number 50. And question number 50. An ion with mass number 56 contains 3 units of positive charge and 30.4% of more neutrons than electrons. Assign the sum of the atomic numbers and mass numbers. In this case, please write down 48. Please write down 48. Question number 50. Question number 50. Question number 50. Assigned an ion with mass number 56. Mass number is 56. And in this case, sum of the atomic number and mass number. Atomic number is equal to, in this case, that is iron 26, 56, 3 plus ion. Therefore, atomic number is equal to 26 and mass number is equal to 56. Therefore, 82. Iron 26, 56, 3 plus. In this case, number of electrons is equal to 26. That means sum of the atomic number. Atomic number is 26 and mass number is, that means mass number is 56 already given. Therefore, 26 plus 56 is equal to 82.